Hello everyone, it's Bella, and today I'm going to show you how to pack your suitcase using the Konmari method so that your suitcase is as neat and organized as possible. The Konmari method is a method used by an organizing expert named Marie Kondo. In this method, your clothes are stacked vertically so you can see all of your clothes, and it is very neat and organized, and I'll show you how to do that here in a second. I know that many people struggle with packing their suitcases, so I hope this helps you, and please subscribe so you can see more organizing videos like this in the future. The first thing you should do when packing a suitcase is lay out everything that you could possibly think of taking with you, and then split it in half. This ensures that you're packing lightly and that your suitcase will be organized and efficient. Also, by doing this, you know that you're taking the things that you really need and that you won't overpack, because most airlines require your suitcase to be under a certain amount of weight, and cutting down this much really helps you to pack lightly. The next thing you should do in order to have an organized suitcase is to make a packing list. And you can organize this into certain categories like I have here. I organize this into suitcase and carry-on. This ensures so that when you're repacking, you don't forget anything. This is a great way to stay organized when you're packing. Next, for packing your suitcase, I'm going to show you how to fold your clothes using the Konmari method. The first thing you're going to do is to lay out your shirt flat on the ground. Next, you're going to take one side of the shirt and fold it inwards, like so. Once you've done this, you're going to do the same thing to the other side, and you'll have a nice, thin, long line. And once you have this line, you're going to fold it 3 ways down the center. And once you have this, your shirt should be able to stack and stand vertically. This next thing I'm going to share with you is really important. Once you have all of your clothes packed in your suitcase, get your phone and take a picture of it. So this way you know where all of your clothes go, so when it's time to repack, when your trip is over, you know where everything goes, and you can get everything repacked really fast and efficiently, and you know where everything goes. So repacking is really easy this way. So next we're going to move on to our shoes, toiletries, hats, underwear, schoolwork, and other things that need to go in here. Next, I'm going to show you how I pack my carry-on bag. For this, I use a Fjallraven Kanken bag. First, I like to put in my laptop, which I put in a protective case. Next, I put in some schoolwork that I can do on the plane. I put in a book that I can read. Next, in order to stay organized, I use this pouch to put in my bullet journal, some highlighters, my vlogging camera, and some stationery. I find that using a pouch to hold loose items keeps me really organized and I can access things really easily. Next, I like to put in a water bottle, but make sure that you don't fill it up until after security. I like having this with me just to stay more eco-friendly. I put my charger and headphones in separate pouches to keep them from getting tangled, and I put both of these in the front pouch of the bag. I also put my phone in here, and that is it for everything that I put in my carry-on. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this helped you for the next time you have to take a trip to stay more organized with the Konmari method. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and until next time, have a great week!